today's video, I'm going to show you how to make my Swiss-inspired mountain bench. This week I've got a new shipment of cedar that I'm hoping to get a couple of projects out of. I've got some 2x4, I've got some 1x6. It's really good quality cedar from here on Vancouver Island. It's pretty cool when you go into the lumber yard and the guy can tell you exactly where it came from. Now I've got the 8 pieces cut that I need. So I've got 2 pieces for each bench seat. This is a great project to use up some of the scraps that you have laying around from other projects, be it planter boxes or the table projects. We're going to go 20 degrees on the cut for the legs at the top and the bottom, going the same direction. Now we've got our legs. They start off at 18 inches and cut at a 20-degree angle going the same way on each piece so that you end up with legs that are going to be facing in like this. This top part will be perfectly flat. The feet will rest perfectly flat on the floor, and all the force pushing down will actually have these 2 pieces pushing against each other. With the off-cut 2x4, I'm going to now use that as the batten for my bench. It's very easy to line up where they're going to be placed. It's going to be the full width of my legs. These batten pieces are going to be around 11¼ inches. I'm going to taper them to make them look a little nicer. So let's take them back over to the miter saw. This time a 10-degree angle on the miter saw. The next step is deciding how the seat top will attach to the batten pieces that I've cut. I thought about using pocket screws, and I could go in from underneath and not have anything showing on the surface. However, this is the problem when you get into with pocket screws. Even if I was using a piece this thick for the seat, I would still have issues because there's not really enough for it to grab onto, and over time, eventually it will break and the legs will fall off. So we're gonna have to go in from the surface. So I'm gonna use cedar colored deck screws to do this. So I've made a little template for myself so that I can do uniform holes on either side. I simply just rest one of my legs right on the middle, the center line here. Now with it on the floor, I have a little bit of an easier time working out where everything needs to go. Now the inside batten. Alright, so I've modified a few things. When I put the side pieces on, I've actually remounted the boards that make up the seat, and I've put a gap in the middle, but I'm going to drop a piece right in here in the middle, and I kind of like it because it breaks up the pattern with the boards and offers a bit of interest there. And take this tool here and reference the correct angle. Now I know it's a 10-degree cut. When I rip the edge of the boards on the table saw, I want to make sure I've got the correct angle. So, and then I come over to my workpiece, make sure that it's lined up properly with the edge, and I reference the angle. Now we've got the correct angle to join up with the side edge and a nice profile. Next we trim. This is reminiscent of some of the furniture you might see in old chalets in the Alps. Kind of falls into the genre of alpine furniture. It's pretty cool stuff. I like it. It's something that's close to my heart because I live close to the mountains. It's a great item to add to your furniture list of things to build for the spring. I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoy it. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thanks for watching and have a great day.